How to apply for the credit card of Lloyds Bank. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In today's episode, I'll be showing you how you can apply for the credit card of Lloyds Bank. In order to apply for it online, you'll need to open up a web browser, and then on the web address bar type in www.lloydsbank.com/creditcard. Don't worry about the link, I'll make sure to drop it on my description box below as well. In the link, this is going to directly take you to the credit card page. So on this page, you need to scroll down a bit, and over here you'll be able to see a credit card that is available on Lloyds Bank. So as you can see, there are 3 different credit cards available. So you can go through each one of it and then compare each one of it and apply for the best credit card that suits your need. So click on more about everyday spending card if you want to go with this one, or you need to tap on the correct one. After that, you need to go through the above statement. If you're sure about it, click on check your eligibility. Now it's going to direct you to the enrollment page. Once again, click on check now button, which is right at the bottom. Now you begin with the registration process. So you need to go through all of these statements, such as you need to provide in your personal information, your contact information and all that. So this is going to take 2 of the 4 steps. So you need to go through it all. You need to create a login ID and all that. You need to review the information. You also need to provide in your billing address and all that. After that, you'll be notified with a statement that the application has been successfully submitted. All you have to do is wait patiently until you get further notified. In this way, you can apply for the credit card of Lloyds Bank. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.